Hi developers. So we already know that Angular and React.js both are really important for front-end development and both have lots of job also, right? Uh, for React.js, I already created some projects, tutorial series and interview questions also. But in case of Angular, till now we have only, on my channel, we have only tutorial series. There is a no project, but now we are starting with a e-commerce project also. So the question is, why project is important for learner? See, when we are watching tutorials, in one part we can learn only one topic or one feature or one functionality, you can say that, right? But how we can combine all of these functionalities, features, topic in a single code? That is the actually problem. So when we are working with a professional complex project, we cannot rely only a single functionality. We have to combine lots of code, we have to merge lots of functionalities, feature, and you can say that topics also. So that project will help you that how you can manage lots of features, functionalities, code in a single project. So let's start with the question, why should you watch this series? We know that on internet, on video streaming platforms, there is a lots of other projects also. So what's the so special about that project? See, this is a complete e-commerce project. We will create here dashboard as well as website. Dashboard part, here we will add our products so that user can just buy these project from the website, like for Flipkart or Amazon, for Walmart. We see that listing of the project, right? But how these listing are just populated here, because someone are adding these projects from backend, from dashboard, right? So we will create that product adding dashboard as well as the website also. From there a user can buy these projects. So you don't need to learn any backend platform or backend language like a Node, PHP, Java and all. We will simply use JSON server APIs. These are, you can say that, very effective API with the minimum time. They'll just take 2 to 3 minutes to create a API in a backend, and you don't need to write any code to just make these APIs. You just have to add some data, but they are not like just a static data. You can just work the post APIs, put APIs, delete APIs and get APIs with that. Like, so every operations like deleting product, searching product, adding product, getting product will work with these APIs. They are really effective, right? And I created lots of project with these API. Actually, they will save your backend time. So maybe one guy don't know about this backend programming language or about the database, or don't want to learn about this, right? Because our focus is only on Angular. So JSON API is the best case for them. So the next thing is you can get all code from the GitHub. That is completely free of cost, right? There is a no cost, and the code for every video you will get in the description box. You can ask the question in the comment box and I will definitely tell you the interview questions during these videos, like this topic or this feature can be asked in interviews and how you can just answer of that project, right? That question. Now let's take a look of the project flow. First of all, we will create the seller. Seller means a dashboard where seller can add their product and update product, view and delete, right? So first of all, we will create that part, because if we don't have product in our you can say that in our application, that what we can show. So first of all, we have to create the seller panel, or you can say that the dashboard, so that product can be added, deleted, updated and view. And then we will just go for the home page, and here we will create the project listing, detail page, cart page, user sign up and login, the order details, you can say that order summary, my orders, lots of things. You will just, they are just major topics, right? So these are the, you can see that the project flow, and these are the topics. Like first of all, we will learn how we can set up the project, routing, how we can create the navigation bar, and this is that will be a navigation dynamic navigation bar. If user is not logged in, then we will show an option for login and all, and if user is logged in, then we will show the profile of that user, right? We will use a bootstrap also. I will tell you that how we can use APIs and services, and there are lots of kind of API, like get API, put API, post API, delete API, and we will also learn the forms and Angular with the how we can manage the local storage, JSON server, component communication, project clone. For API testing, either I will use Postman, sorry guys, Postman, or either we will use some extension of VS Code. And as I told you, these are just major topics to learn. There is a lots of minor topics also. So thank you for watching this video, and from next video we will just starting with the project setup. And please support me by subscribing my channel, like this video, and if possible then you can please share these videos also. And please, I am requesting again, if you did not subscribe yet to the channel, please subscribe it.